everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into present continuous tense. Let's learn it together. Hello, I'm Maria. I'm from Spain and I live with my family in a big house. These are my parents. They're spending this weekend in the country because they're so tired of us. But my dad is calling me all the time and he's asking me about my sisters and brothers. He's calling me again.
Hi, darling. What are you doing?
Hi, Dad. I'm taking care of kids.
What's Pablo doing?
Pablo is riding a bike.
What's Anna doing?
Anna is taking a shower.
What's Miguel doing?
Miguel is screaming.
Okay. And what's Carlos doing?
Carlos is having ice cream.
What's Clara doing?
Clara is chatting with her friend.
What is Elena doing?
Alina is baking a cake.
What is Louis doing?
Louis is playing the guitar.
Okay, baby. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.
Bye, Dad. As you can see, for making positive form of present continuous sentences, we put the subject at the beginning of the sentence plus to be followed by ing form of the verb. For example, I am staying at home today. You are talking on the phone now. We are playing computer games right now. They are having dinner at the moment. She's chatting with her friends now. He is taking a shower right now. It is raining today. For making negative form of present continuous sentences, it's enough to put not after the to be verb, like I am not staying at home today. You are not talking on the phone now. To make question form of present continuous tense, it's enough to put to be verb at the beginning of the sentences. For example, am I staying at home today? Are you talking on the phone now? Are we playing computer games right now? Are they having dinner at the moment? Is she chatting with her friends now? Is he taking a shower right now? Is it raining today? To make WH questions, it's enough to put our WH question words at the beginning of our sentences, followed by to be, then our subject, followed by verb plus ing. For example, why am I staying at home today? Why are you talking on the phone now? Who are we playing computer games with right now? Where are they having dinner at the moment? Who is she chatting with now? Where is he taking a shower right now? And why is it raining today? Present continuous is generally used in 4 different situations: to talk about actions happening right now, actions happening in this period of time, when we talk about the future, especially when we have fixed personal plans, and when we want to complain about actions that repeatedly happen. For example, you're watching this video right now. What are you wearing today? I'm having a party next week. My brother is always playing computer games. Now it's time to do some exercise. Fill in the blank parts with the verbs that you have in the parentheses here.